East or West FamiSafe first? Hi, this is Kristen with Wondershare FamiSafe. To help you have a better understanding before using our FamiSafe Parental Control app, we collected some frequently asked questions and I'll answer them in this video today. The first question is, what is FamiSafe? FamiSafe is the most reliable parental control app. It is a flexible and smart solution for parents to manage their kids' Android, iOS, Fire OS, Windows, or Mac devices. What devices does FamiSafe support? For mobile devices, FamiSafe is compatible with most mobile devices running on Android 4.4 to 10, iOS 9 through iOS 13, or Kindle Fire operating system, including both phones and tablets. It does not require rooting or jailbreaking. For desktop devices, FamiSafe supports monitoring desktop devices running on Windows or on Mac. That's it for today's FamiSafe Frequently Asked Questions video. If you have any additional questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below or send us a message over on our Facebook page. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and we will see you soon in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.